please, even I'm reaching out to the government. Andrew Holness, you should drive and come in Westmoreland because we are very messy down here.
Hi guys, my name is Alia Hall, new face here on the Dutty Berry Show. And today we're in Westmoreland at the Petersfield High School that's currently being used as a shelter for those affected by Hurricane Melissa. Today we're going to explore the stories of those who are here, from the highs to the lows and everything in between. Can you identify yourself for us and tell us where you're from?
Okay, no problem. Well, I'm from Witton, Shrewsbury, Lagos, and my name is Andre, and I'm here to speaking about the storm. Oh my God, it's so very harsh. We are so very messed up in Westmoreland. We need a lot of more help. Okay, even for the babies them. Even not for we, and we need some shelter here. Please, even I'm reaching out to the government. Andrew Holness, you should drive and come in Westmoreland because we are very messy down here. We're not too hungry, I'm not telling no lie. We get food very regular. But we want to see you and we want to know what's going on into Westmoreland because a lot of houses mash up. Even concrete house in problem. So it's not like it's board house alone. A lot of people, everyone in Westmoreland feel it. Okay, my mom house, she lost it. I lost my home. See, then I even have my son in my hand. You need shelter. I'm not saying that you're gonna put out your full 200, but even 150. Oh my God, man! You need to drive through Westmoreland. Come in Petersfield High School, and you can come and see what's going on. We have a lot of other people reaching out, sending food and everything. I'm not saying you don't send any food because I don't know if you buy or not, but you should drive, come and see what's going on. Look at the lot of people we have here, homeless. We don't have even mattress to sleep on, most of us. So please, I'm reaching out and I'm sending out this message. All of my people that help me and help my baby, I want to send out a big thanks to you, and God's go with you all the while. All of the people that help me, oh my God, I love you so much. I'm telling you, I love you. The people help my son, I love you. Even though you don't give me zinc and whatever, but you make my son a little bit comfortable. I'm not telling no lie, because he never have any socks. And see, he get little 1 and 2 socks, and he get in little clothes. But I need a little more help, man. Oh my God, even some zinc and some ply. I'm not even looking black because I know how the crisis is stay. But I'm just looking a little help. And the crisis is bad in Westmoreland. Very, very bad. If you even go down to Godfrey Stewart in Savlamar, it's very bad. Very bad. People don't have mattress to sleep on. It's very bad here. Very, very, very bad.
So, baby Malachi here is trying to get on the mic. So, what I want to know is this I got a smile. This imagery is not very common in the Jamaican context. So, tell me what it has been like as a father going through these circumstances. How have you been managing?
Well, I'm not telling no lie. It's rough because I don't have a home. That's what I want for my son. See me here. Malachi, I need a shelter for him. Okay, and from he get a shelter, I'm the one that's gonna protect him, me and his mom. Okay, I'm not leaving him go anywhere. I'm growing him till he old. I'm not telling no lie. I love my son so much. I just want a home back for my son. It's just that the message I'm sending out. If I can get some zinc, I appreciate it. If I can get some lumber, no problem. Even ply, I will still want to do something and put it up for my son, just to get a little comfortable for him. Okay?
So I can definitely understand that this is a mentally draining and emotional experience. But what are some of the ways that you cope, to stay strong for your son?
Well, I stay strong for him. Sometimes I feel weak, but I still stay strong for him because if I don't strong for him and his mom don't strong for him, no one not gonna strong for him. So I have to just stand up and do the right thing. Even if I never get nothing and if I never did send out the message and go on TVJ, I would just look even help some people, and they give me a little change, and I help my son, because that's what I was used to do. I work and I get sometimes 2 days and I get 8,000, and I just spend it on him and buy a little food. See me, see the slippers, storm slippers, before storm, and I still have it on. And I'm still going in. I'm not trying to rob anybody's place or nothing. I just want to be happy with my son and take good care of my son.
So what are you looking forward to most after all this has passed? Because you're going to rebuild. It's going to get better. So what do you look forward to most when you finally get to put that roof over your son's head?
Well, what I'm trying to finally to go head to, I just want to go and try get back some work. That's the first thing what I want, because I don't like depending on people. Whereas my kids, I like to go out there and push out my 100 for my kids. Okay, whereas it's a boy, and he moody. This boy moody. He love me so much. Even when he's in mom and I'm there, he's stretching out to come to me. He really love me. Malachi love me. See, he just want a home, and he just happy. He no make nothing worry him. Him happy. He love ladies. You see?
So if people want to get in contact with you to help you, how could they do that?
Well, I think I have a number here. Okay, yes, I have a number here. It's 203-0811. Repeat, 1-876-203-0811. That is my contact number, so you could contact me, okay?
All right.
If you really want. And thanks, and God bless.
All right, thank you too.
Okay.
You've heard the stories, so if you can't help somebody, reach out, because it takes a village. I'm your girl, Alia Hall. You can find me at _Alia Hall _. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.